Enjoying a nice little meal for some people can include a juicy steak. Of course, there are many people who claim that regular consumption of red meat may have adverse health effects. In this video, we learn about the benefits and harms of eating steak. A 6-ounce steak alone can contain significant amounts of various B vitamins that are difficult to obtain from plant-based foods, as are other minerals such as phosphorus, selenium, zinc, iron, and potassium. These are all essential nutrients that the body needs on a daily basis, and their concentration in steak and other red meats is very significant. Steak contains large amounts of saturated and unsaturated fats, the second type of which is good for the body and can help reduce cardiovascular disease, while saturated fats, when consumed in moderation, are as harmful as trans fats. For health in the long term, may not be so bad and harmful. Most people present red meat as one of the best reasons to eat it because of its high protein content, and it is a bit difficult to refute this logic. Beef is high in protein, meaning it provides all the amino acids the body needs to make other, more useful proteins. It can help build muscle and assure the user that the body's natural metabolism is running smoothly. As mentioned earlier, if consumed in excess, the positive aspects and properties of this popular meat and food are easily lost. While the body can handle the occasional increase in saturated fat and cholesterol from eating steaks, LDL cholesterol and saturated fat can quickly get out of control if bacon and steak are eaten daily for a week. This may simply lead to increased bad LDL cholesterol, atherosclerosis, cardiovascular disease, and other common obesity-related conditions. In addition, there is a substance in red meat, L-carnitine, which can increase the risk of developing cancer after it is broken down by gut bacteria. If you want to include red meat regularly in your diet, lean red meat is definitely a much better choice. Also, the way meat is cooked and eaten has an effect on its overall properties. The results of numerous studies have shown that there is an increased risk of cancer associated with regular consumption of red meat and steak, primarily because the meat is cooked at high temperatures, which can be carcinogenic. This is especially true of cooking methods such as grilling and frying. Another published study on its link to cancer shows a direct link between the development of human cancer and heterocyclic amines, suggesting a carcinogenic agent in beef. In general, the safety and properties of red meat depend entirely on how it is cooked and how much and how many times a week it is consumed. Additionally, processed meats can be more dangerous than raw meat that you prepare yourself. While some proteins and minerals, e.g., heme iron, from steak are more nutrient-dense than plant-based foods, this is not evidence that steak should be part of your daily diet. Consuming it in moderation is important to control everything from kidney and heart health to the risk of diabetes and diverticulitis.